All right, guys, we are back at PRE, Performance Race Engineering, the shop that's been putting together this Toyota Supra. We're gonna be getting a whole bunch of stuff done on the next few videos. We got the Adro side skirts going in. We got the Adro rear spats going in. We have the OEM Plus mods rear diffuser fins going in. We also have the steering wheel going in, and we do have wheel locks that are going to be going on the Toyota Supra. So a whole bunch of stuff being done. Like I said, wheel locks, steering wheel, diffuser fins, spats, and side skirts. And this Supra is going to be just set perfectly for me. And we're going to be going ahead and doing a full walk around of all the mods that are on the car. But anyway, big shout out to PRE Racing, guys. They are the best performance shop in all of the Pacific Northwest. This shop definitely does a great job of taking care of everything. They have took care of this car so many times. A lot of the installs that are on this car they have done. So one more time, thank you to PRE Racing. Alright, heroes, I want to go ahead and show you guys a much more closer look on the side skirts and the rear diffuser fins. Man, like, it just makes the car look so much better. It definitely makes the car seem a lot lower. So the wheel gap isn't as big of a deal for me. As you guys see my Corvette, this is race spec, track spec, so I'm not so worried on the fitment necessarily. I'm just more worried on how it drives, how it performs, and performance and function pretty much overlooks. But man, this Adro side skirt and this Adro rear diffuser fin absolutely looks really, really good. It came out very, very well. I want to give you guys a more closer look so you can see it definitely is much wider. I had the Aeroflow dynamic side skirts and they came out pretty wide, but as you can see, these are definitely beefy, definitely wide. Here's kind of how it would line up to the wheel well of the car. And this isn't as wide, but you can see how the side skirt, definitely sticks out much more than where the wheel well is. In person, it absolutely definitely looks much more aggressive. Having the wing, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser fins definitely just adds aggression to the car. It just seems like a much more menacing presence on the road. Definitely love the quality of Adro's products. So happy I was able to get this in the car. Definitely love the products of Adro side skirts. Definitely appreciate just their craftsmanship. Once again, guys, this is going to be the Adro high-rise carbon fiber wing for the car. iWrap did an amazing job of the wrap. I wanted to have it color matched just so it seems a lot more OEM plus. It seems like it would come from factory if the Supra definitely did come from a wing. But this is going to be the Adro high-rise wing. I think it fits really well with the side skirts and the rear diffuser fins. I think overall the car definitely just has a much nice presence to it. It's not over the top, but it definitely just seems like this is a clean look for the car. I'm a very big fan of Porsche type of cars, especially these Porsche GT4s, GT3s. I just think this is like a Supra GT4, GT3 type of build for the car. So that's kind of the look I was going for. Overall, I'm just so excited and so happy for how this car is looking so far. This is absolutely just a dream to have. Man, the black and the carbon actually goes really, really well. I love the fact that it's not just everything is carbon. The fenders aren't just carbon, the mirrors aren't just carbon, the roof, you know, all these components. I think that it's nice that some of it is gloss black and some of it's carbon, so it really just kind of highlights the gloss black parts and it highlights the carbon fiber parts on the car. I think that's a really, really nice subtle touch to where the carbon fiber really stands out when you see it in the gloss black. It's just nice accents just to make it seem much more premium. Definitely seems like a car that just is much more high quality, high caliber of materials that's on the car. So again, I got the gloss black, the front bumper, VERUS front splitter, and then like I said, just I think not going full exposed carbon everywhere, just carbon hood everywhere, fenders, just everything, mirrors. I just think it's a great clean look when you got these carbon pieces with the color match and then the gloss black, just to kind of just enhance the fact that this is a premium type of vehicle. Anyway, just want to give you guys a quick walk around. Have lots of videos coming for you guys. So much stuff coming. Got the steering wheel coming, got the diffuser add-ons coming, OEM plus mods coming, lots of stuff coming. But anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. You want to follow the journey, the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Peace.